See, I tried my level best, but I was not able to create a workshop that fits everyone's requirement. One size fit all, I was not able to create. So here I'm standing in front of the camera and explaining who this workshop is for and who it is not for. Okay? Imagine a cricket stadium or a football stadium filled with 60,000 people and 22 players. Where we have two groups here. One group where people are there to enjoy. People are outside the boundary lines or outside the lines. They're there to enjoy, criticize and comment. On the other side, we have a group of people who are mature, who are committed, who believe in themselves, and they are there in the center to perform, give their best every single time. They are not worried about who is commenting, who is criticizing, what others are saying. They are there in the center, believing in themselves and performing. Now, if these are the two groups, the workshop I have designed will be advantageous for the group of 22, not for the 60,000 people group. So I don't know where you belong. You know that better than me. So if you think you belong to the 22, click on that link, claim your seat today. I'll see you inside the workshop. But if you believe that you belong to the 60,000, don't register. Don't waste your time and money. Okay? Close this video, go back to your life. And now let me explain what do I mean when I say maturity and commitment and belief. Okay? I expect the participants of this workshop to be a bit mature, to understand that any one-day workshop will not make you successful. I don't know what people are selling, what people are telling, what you are drinking, what you are smoking. A one-day workshop will not make you successful. What this workshop can become is a starting point in your journey to success or a guide in your journey to success. That's what this workshop can become. It will not make you successful. I expect this much of maturity from the participants of this workshop. The second one is commitment. See, we all want fit bodies with six-pack abs, especially me. But how many of us are ready or committed enough to wake up early every single day, hit the gym every single day, put in the effort required every single day, and stick to the diet plan every single day, and stay away from the food we love so much every single day? If you are not committed, this workshop might not be helpful to you. You will attend this workshop, feel good about yourself for a couple of weeks, then you will go back to your old lifestyle. And after a few months, you will attend another workshop and you tell that, I attended DYD and it didn't help me a lot. It will not help you if you are not committed to put in the effort regularly and consistently. So that's why commitment is crucial. The third thing I mentioned is belief. See, I expect the participant of this workshop to believe in herself. She should believe that I deserve more than what I have today. She should believe that I should get more than what I have today. She should believe that I have the capability to go and get what I deserve. If you believe that you deserve more than what you have, you deserve more than what you're getting today, and you have the capability to go and get you what you deserve, this workshop is just for you. Click on that link, claim your seat, and I'll see you inside the workshop.